India's diagnostic industry is undergoing a transformation, and at the center of this evolution is one powerful innovation: portable X-ray devices. Imagine this: a lightweight, mobile imaging machine that can bring life-saving diagnostics to rural villages, accident scenes, elderly patients at home, and even military bases. That's the power of portable X-ray devices: fast, affordable, and accessible healthcare. In a country like India, where healthcare access is uneven and demand is rising, these devices can bridge the urban-rural gap in diagnostics. The market was valued at nearly $8.57 billion in 2024 and is growing rapidly at 9.42% compound annual growth rate. This isn't just a business, it's an opportunity to build a tech-driven, socially impactful venture. In today's video, we're diving into 10 essential pillars you need to understand to start your own portable X-ray devices business in India that can help you build a profitable, scalable, and future-ready business. Here's what you'll discover. Target audience, market research and industry trends, marketing and sales strategy, startup cost and financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margins, company incorporation and legal steps, supporting documents required, how Market Research Universe can help you launch, and most importantly, how you can tap into it. Let's begin. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience identification. This business caters to hospitals, diagnostic centers, ambulance operators, military health units, home care providers, and rural health NGOs. Targeting the right segment is key. Urban diagnostic chains and rural health programs both offer high-volume demand. Market research and market analysis. India's portable X-ray market is expected to grow from 1,500 crore rupees to over 2,500 crore rupees in the upcoming years. It's driven by increasing demand for mobile healthcare, elderly care, and teleradiology integration. Top competitors include GE Healthcare, Fujifilm, and Trivitron. But there's a gap in low-cost Indian models. Marketing and sales strategy. Use a B2B model. Reach out to hospitals, clinics, and mobile healthcare vans. Showcase product demos. Run Google ads and build partnerships with NGOs and ambulance networks. Offer rental or lease options to attract budget-conscious buyers. Financial planning, costing. Here's a basic breakdown of costs for setting up a small to mid-scale portable X-ray devices business. R&D or sourcing of devices, 40 to 50 lakhs rupees. Manufacturing setup or assembly, 25 to 30 lakhs rupees. Regulatory approvals and testing, 5 to 8 lakhs rupees. Sales and marketing, year 1, 10 to 15 lakhs rupees. Website, branding, CRM tools, 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. Working capital, first year, 20 to 25 lakhs rupees. Total initial investment, 1.2 to 1.5 crores rupees. Monthly recurring costs, staff salaries, lease, logistics, servicing, consumables, internet, and tech support. Funding and investment options raise capital through Startup India, seed fund, angel investors, or health tech VCs like Health Quad. Banks also offer loans under CGTMSE for medical devices. Explore equipment leasing and strategic partnerships with diagnostic chains. Profit margin potential. Your manufacturing cost per device may be 6 to 9 lakh rupees, but can be sold at 10 to 15 lakh rupees. That's a 30 to 40% gross margin. Rental models generate 30,000 to 80,000 rupees monthly per unit, creating recurring revenue streams. Company incorporation and legal setup. Register your business as a private limited or LLP under MCA. Get GST, UDYM MMSME registration, CDSCO medical device approval, and import licenses if needed. If you're manufacturing, BIS and ISO 13485 certifications are crucial. Supporting documents required. You'll need documents such as Director PAN, Aadhaar, photos, address proof of registered office, device specifications and safety reports, product manuals and training documents, regulatory certifications, BIS, ISO 13485, CE, US FDA if imported, legal mouse with logistics, service providers, or assembly partners. How Market Research Universe will help you. So, whether you're a healthcare entrepreneur, engineer, or impact investor, starting a portable X-ray devices business in India is a high-potential venture with real social impact. At Market Research Universe MRU, we provide A. Our services, real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign, strategy business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. B. Our solution, MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.